So if I am on a wall, my hands are facing on a wall, I have my walker with my gait belt, and I am going to have my patient stand. They're going to squeeze their glutes together and slide their hands and look way up. So they're going to tighten their glutes, they're going to take a breath in, and then exhale and slide up and reach up as high as they can. Again, if some patients are really kyphotic, they're only going to go over here. If you got some patients that only have one arm, they're only going to go up to there. But if you can stretch them out, you're going to find, and try this at home, that your quadriceps are going to engage. The next one you want to do is put your foot, one foot in front of the other. You're going to squeeze this side, take a breath in, and then exhale and slide that left hand up. That facilitates your right side. Switch, 10 reps on that side. Switch. You're going to squeeze this glute, take a breath in, and then slide this hand up. That's going to facilitate this side. When you have your patient that is going to be doing marching in a walker or tabletop bedside, I want you to try something at home. Put your hand on your left gluteus medius and simulate bringing your knee up. Not much activity. Now, raise your hand, hand up and knee up at the same time. When you elevate shoulder flexion, hip extension, more activation here. Very, very important. If your goal is to get hip activation, use the arms.